Yeah, I think like hiring people that are smarter and more passionate than even you is critical. Like,
Yeah.
if I'm not, the rule we use internally when we're thinking about like hiring somebody is not are they good for the job, are, do we think they have the right qualifications, but are we excited about this person? Like, do we think this person is gonna like call us out on our BS, are gonna push us further?
Yeah.
And if that's the case, then it's the right hire.
Yeah.
Because if we treat ourselves as the limit, we can only go that high, right? So
Yeah.
it's like we should constantly try to be getting better and better people around us.
Yeah, definitely. And you will also learn, right?
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.